You ready?
I think I can finish this. Yeah, okay. I was talking to myself. What?
Alright, what are we making today?
Tall fun.
But with what?
Tall made.
Can you speak in a language that people can understand? What the hell are these? Can we just not put the strawberries in there? Okay. Looks like a pretty normal fried rice right now. This looks pretty good. Wait, no! That actually looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Alright, we gotta take a bite with the strawberry and the fried rice.
That's so difficult with chopsticks.
Wait, maybe I should've gotten spoons. Time out! Spoons! Kinda looks like sushi. Like the red and the rice. 3, 2, 1.
Actually tastes pretty good.
Tastes pretty bad.
Really?
It tastes like I'm eating yogurt with fried rice. Like a strawberry yogurt with fried rice.
I don't mind it. Like, that'd be worse.
Juice came out. It's not as bad as I thought it would be though.
That's why I said it's pretty good. So that tastes worse.
So it wasn't pretty good. My mouth feels violated.
10 out of 10 would recommend. No, it's actually not that bad.
It's just like a sweet fried rice. Out of 10, how much would you actually give it?
Like, what's 1 and what's 10?
1 is like, bleh. 10 is like I've craved this.
7.
7?
Yeah. Like, what would you give it?
Maybe a 5. Like, I wouldn't willingly do this to myself. Surprisingly not bad though. I was expecting much worse. Bye.